I older at the half.
How old are you?
I 2.
2 what?
I 2 the half.
2 and a half. And can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, C,
What about Old MacDonald? Don't pull. Can you sing Old MacDonald?
Old Donald sat on front, E-O-E-O-O. And there, and there, and there, and there.
What about Itsy Bitsy Spider?
It's a spider and the air.
Can you stand still for a second? Are you gonna? How about count to 10?
Count to 10. 1, 2, 3.
Don't fall.
What's
your favorite toy right now? What's your favorite toy?
Old Donald sat on front, E-I-E-I-O.
Is your favorite toy your Transformer?
Just old Donald sat on farm.
Oh, okay. You like playing with your farm, with all your toys and all your animals? And who's your best friend?
My best friend, my Barrett.
It's your cousin Barrett?
Yeah.
And who's your girlfriend?
Cousin. What's my girlfriend?
Who is your girlfriend?
Who's my girlfriend?
Find your girlfriend? Who is your girlfriend?
Sophia, my girlfriend.
Sophia's your girlfriend? She's a little old for you.
Sophia's a little boy.
Sophia's not a boy. You're a boy.
I heard a tinkle.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Can you say, I love you, Mommy?
I love you, Mommy.